You can envision yourself entering the kitchen space to kite a lime from your personal garden and then using the fresh juice to enhance the flavor of taco and sparkling water and your preferred dessert. The scent spreads throughout the room. The smell contains more than just citrus, it brings forth a sense of triumph. I still remember my first attempt at cultivating a lime tree. My outdoor space didn't permit to grow anything. My balcony space was small, but my biting curiosity helped me explore every possibility. I believe that only tropical farms located far away from my home could cultivate citrus trees. Yet, I was mistaken. Home cultivation of lime is possible, but it becomes easy when you understand the necessary procedures. I will demonstrate the exact process to you. Step 1. Choose the right lime variety. All lime tree species show variations in their characteristic. The best home growing varieties for containers include key lime, small, aromatic, and perfect pots. Persian lime. The most common store variant produces larger seedless fruits. Container growing represents the best option for residents of colder areas because it allows them to bring their plants inside during the winter season. I selected my first key lime plant from a local nursery because I wanted to contain a plant that matched the 1 to 2 year age range. Young grafted plants produce fruits earlier than seed-based cultivation methods. Step 2. Give it plenty of sunlight. Lime trees need sunlight as their main source of energy. Their sunlight requirements include 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily, a south-facing window if indoors, a bright balcony or patio spot. The first mistake I made, not enough sun. My plant survived, but it fails to thrive. The plant produces new leaves within weeks after I relocated it to a sunlight area. Sunlight serves as the source of energy. The energy generates the production of fruits. Step 3. Use the right pot and soil. If growing in a container, choose a pot with drainage holes, at least 12 to 16 inches wide for young plants. Use well-draining citrus potting mix. Lime trees cannot tolerate wet conditions. Roots that remain in waterlogged soil will experience decay. The tropical climate requires two conditions: constant moisture and complete absence of swampy areas. A good soil mix includes potting soil, sand or perlite for drainage, compost for nutrients. Step 4. Water properly, don't overdo it. Here's the golden rule. Watering should occur after the soil has dried out to at least 1 to 2 inches depth from the last deep watering. In summer, this may mean watering 2 to 3 times per week. In winter, much less. My first plant suffered from overwatering because its leaves turns yellow. I felt concerned about the situation. The plant recovered well after I adjusted my watering routine. The plant communicates the requirements to you through its behavior. Step 5. Feed your lime tree. Lime tree requires a lot of nutrients to grow properly. Use a citrus fertilizer that contains nitrogen, magnesium, iron. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks during growing season, spring and summer. Reduce feeding in fall. Stop during winter dormancy. The plant will develop darker foliage and improve growth after they receive regular feeding. Step 6. Encourage flowers and fruit. This is the exciting area of the process. Small white blossoms will appear before fruit forms. The scent is incredible, sweet and delicate. If growing indoors, gently shake the branches to help pollination, or use a small brush to transfer pollen. The tiny green limes will start developing within a few weeks. The first fruit grown shows magical behavior. It Avoid cold drafts. Frost cloth provides protection for in-ground trees which need shielding in warm climates. Step 8. Pruning for health. Pruning should occur in a gentle manner to accomplish three objectives. Remove dead branches. Improve air circulation. Maintain shade. Pruning should remain minor except for situations which require it to occur. Lime trees develop their natural beauties through the process of minimal shaping. Common problems and easy fixes. Yellow leaves. Overwatering and nutrient deficiency usually cause this problem. Leaf dropping. The plant experience leaf loss because they go through abrupt temperature changes or their environmental conditions become distinct. No fruits. The plant requires more sunlight to grow up. Its current state remains immature. Don't lose hope because every gardener experiences obstacles. The distinction between triumph and defeat requires gardeners to maintain their patience. Harvesting your limes. Limes become ready for harvesting when they reach their complete growth stage. They develop a slight soft texture. Their surface shows a glossy appearance. Some lime varieties remain and maintain their green appearance at ripeness while others develop a yellow tint. I sliced my first lime to smell the fruit instead of using it for cooking. Its scent exceeded that of any product available in store. The process of cultivating your own food creates a special connection between you and the entire process of growing food. Why growing lime at home is worth it. The fruit contains more than its basic value. The purpose includes developing patience through experiences, building relationship between people and nature, cutting down on grocery shopping, keeping fresh citrus fruits available at all times of the year. The act of saying, "I grew this," possesses a powerful effect. You can successfully cultivate a lime tree even if your apartment space remains limited and you lack prior plant growing experience. Begin with a small action and maintain your commitment throughout the entire journey. Final thoughts. This is the opportunity for begin growing your own lime tree. Begin by taking your pot to the sunny area of your choice. If you feel comfortable growing lime after reading this guide, subscribe to our channel to access more beginner-friendly gardening guides. Home planting space. We cultivate skills along with our plants while growing food that will remain fresh for our family. Hit that subscribe button and join the journey.